Priced to sell, this like-new coastal home is a must-see. It is a perfect home for either a primary residence or second home. This charming 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home features an open floor plan, stainless steel appliances, master bedroom with bath, a nice front porch, an oversized 2-car garage, lawn irrigation, and a beautiful yard with brand new 6-foot privacy fencing. All of this is in the community of Prince George's Acres featuring public sewer and water. Only minutes to the Bethany Beach, Fenwick Island, and Seashore State Park. Call for an appointment today.